the tools that are needed to change your car's engine oil.
Engine oil, oil filter, PTFE tape, funnel, oil filter wrench, a jack stand, basin, cloth, jack, wrench, and lastly, a pair of gloves.
Pull up the parking brakes and jack up the car. Place the car on jack stands or brakes to raise up the front part of the car. Place the bucket or basin underneath to catch the oil. Loosen the nut. Drain the engine oil. When the flow of the oil gets slower, use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil filter. Totally remove the oil filter when the flow comes to a stop. Unbox the new oil filter. Apply some oil on the seals. The oil on the seal acts as a lubricant for the seal, preventing it from damaging when being tightened into place. It will ensure having a good seal and prevent leakage. Tighten the oil filter into place. We will apply PTFE film on the threads to prevent leakages and to reuse the nut. Apply back the drainage nut. Pour half the bottle of engine oil into the engine. Lower down the car. Top up the engine oil until the engine oil level is optimal. Pull up the dipstick and check on the indicators. It should be somewhere in the middle between H and C. The reason of the H and C marking is H is for hot and C is for cold. And that's it.
Do not dispose your used engine oil into the drain, the soil, or the river, as it will cause pollution and contamination to the environment. Store your used engine oil in a clean, leak-proof container like a plastic milk jug or an empty oil bottle. Make sure the cap is tightly sealed on the container and store it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight.